High country transporters Barwood Motors, along with two other operators, have been servicing South Canterbury and the Mackenzie country for many generations. Barwoods have 18 trucks, 6 for stock, 2 for freight and 6 spreaders, with the balance being general vehicles.
Barwood Motors is a firm which is nearly 100 years old. Started in 1917 with a grandfather, and then my father's took over and I came in with him in about 1968, 69, and now my son, he's going to hopefully carry on after me. We work originally with Clellans Transport and Temuka Transport. Back through the families, we've known them with family connections. It's a trust thing. It's always swings and roundabouts. You gain some, you lose some, but it's more utilisation, better service to our clients. We have different seasons because they're on the coast and we're inland, so they're earlier than us, so we have surplus gear at that time of the year, and then vice versa, we're later and we use them later on. We're general carriers basically. We do freight, a daily freight run Timaru to Fairlie. We do stock, general cartage, which is all farm products, posts, netting, wiring, stuff like that. Fertiliser, into fertiliser we've got 2 bulk stores, one Balance, one Ravensdown, so we do into the fertiliser, half a dozen fertiliser spreaders and half a dozen stock trucks, and we also do curtain side of stuff which works in with Temuka Transport out of Clandyboy. Staff can be a challenge in a small area, but once you get them and they're good young fellas, they'll stay, and we've had staff up to here 30 odd years. We've got a full workshop facility here for doing our own maintenance with a contract mechanic, so we look after that side of it as well. This is a big county and the whole population of the county is only 5,000. A lot of through traffic through to Queenstown and stuff like that, but basically focusing on the rural side of it, kept away from long distance freight and stuff like that, and just focus on the rural and look after the farmer, and they've looked after us.
What we tend to try and do is make sure that the stock purchased by clients is transported as efficiently and quickly as possible. The stock bought by various clients of each individual company may not be carted by that company's trucks. We have a working relationship that at the end of the month each company invoices the other companies for work done between them, and that way the clients are invoiced by their own nominated transport. I think the farmers see the logic involved with doing it. If the unit costs are kept to a minimum, for them obviously it's a win-win situation.
That's a JCB with an ACE bin on it. It's all spread mark certified, GPS mapping in it. The driver's done driver training and certified. The company itself is a certified ground spread mark company, and it's sowing a potash sulphur mix for pasture. What ground spread stands for is the spread mark certification. It's 3 stages. It's driver training, it's certification of your machine, so the driver knows what his machine can do, and it's the proof of placement, which is your mapping and your GPSing. And it's basically ties in with meat companies and everything else, so they can get traceability of what's been on the land and goes right through the system. With the way things are going on the land, with it intensifying, with irrigation coming in, yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. The focus may change a wee bit. We have to be smarter, but I think that's, no, the future looks good for the rural industries at the moment.
This program was made with funding from New Zealand On Air.